What is up, guys? I'm on my way to a local car meet. Let's see what we find. Now we got a Cobra. I'm pretty sure this one's a replica. Yeah, this is a replica. Got 347 cubic inch stroker in it.
Hi, bud. See you on Monday night, I think. Oh, yeah. Monday night. Yeah, bud.
Yeah, this is a 1989. Yep, this is a replica. Replica build.
Camel.
Most of them are in museums just because they're so rare. If you had
That's pretty cool.
gambled on it and got one of them when they first came out, you'd have been doing better than any 401k ever.
Right, exactly.
It's just the market changed and Shelby changed with it, went over to the Mustangs and worked the deals out.
That's pretty cool. This is another thing that I just love. I love these old 50s trucks. Look at this. Look at that paint. This is your truck? This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Totally gorgeous truck.
Thank you, man.
I love these old 50s trucks. What's in it for motor?
It's a Jasper Crate 358.
Oh yeah? Wow. Wow. Man, you still got room in there.
Oh, yeah.
Did you do the whole build?
Everything but the paint. Everything,
Wow.
everything.
This is gorgeous. What year is it?
48.
48, huh? This is gorgeous.
Yeah, the guy that painted it, he's doing this one for me right now as we speak. It's a 70.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
That one's yours too?
yeah, that's this one.
That one. Are you talking about
Yeah,
that
this
one?
one.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that one's being painted now.
Wow. This is nice.
Thank you. 3 years
Yeah?
from the time I started ripping it apart. So,
Take it all the way down the frame?
yep.
Yep. That's
All
gorgeous.
brand new suspension all the way around.
What do you have the original frame or is it a different frame on it?
Original frame.
It's the original
But
frame?
it's all 4-link with adjustable coilovers all the way around. With,
Oh yeah?
power disc brakes
Right.
all the way around. Still had the hubs on it. Still
What about
had
the rear
leaf
end?
springs. It's got a just a regular 10-bolt.
Does it?
Yep.
I got a
350 with a turbo 400.
yeah, that gets down the road.
Cruises.
That is gorgeous.
He did the firewall the same as the truck.
That is gorgeous. Oh wow. Yep. A little mirror finish off of that.
If the sun would hit it in there, you'd see it's,
Yep.
it's the exact same as the outside of the truck.
I watch Count Customs a lot with it,
yeah.
and they do all these custom
Yeah.
ghost flames and oh, it's so gorgeous.
Yeah, I watch that show all the time.
This is a gorgeous truck. And I'm not even a Chevy guy. It's still a gorgeous truck. It's gorgeous.
Well, you're like me then. It doesn't matter what it is.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's built and then there's bought. You know. If you like this kind of car content, then hit the subscribe button. I upload videos and shorts almost daily. Have the best day ever.